How to repost archived Instagram picture. Hi everyone, welcome to the channel. This is Rose and I'm here to guide you on how to repost archived Instagram picture. Watch the video till the end and without any further ado, let's dive right into the video. Launch Instagram app on your device. Log into your account. Tap profile icon at bottom right corner of the screen. Select three-line icon at top right corner of the screen. Now choose Archive under how you use Instagram and select whether you want to choose picture from stories archived, or you can select the story archives icon at top left corner and choose post archive or live archive as well. So let's select a story archive for now because we don't have any pictures under post archive, and select the particular picture. Now tap the more icon at bottom right corner of the screen, and now tap on the save video, or simply what you need to do is you need to tap on the share icon, and then you can customize using the icons at top of the screen on this picture, and then you can tap on your story at bottom left corner. If it is your post archive, you can easily select and post it on your Instagram as well. In this way, you can easily repost archived Instagram pictures. Hope this video helped you. If you are new to our channel, hit the like button and subscribe. Thanks for watching and see you in the next video.